In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your tax transcript online using TurboTax. Whether you're applying for a loan, verifying your income for a job application, or just need a detailed look at your tax history, having access to your tax transcript can be incredibly helpful. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can easily access this important document. First, you'll want to navigate to the TurboTax online platform for the year 2025. Make sure you're using a reliable web browser and have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the process. Once you're on the TurboTax homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't already created an account, you will need to do so using your personal information. After logging in, you should see a dashboard that provides an overview of your tax information. Next, head over to the Tax Home section of TurboTax. This area serves as the main hub for all your tax-related activities. The Tax Home contains a variety of options and tools that will help you manage your tax filings and records. Here, you can view previous filings, check the status of your current return, and access other essential features. Now, look for the option labeled Tax Returns and Docs. Clicking on this will take you to the section where your past tax documents are stored. This is the key area where you'll find your tax transcript. The tax transcript is essentially a summary of your tax return and includes details like your income, adjustments, and tax payments. It's a particularly useful document if you need to confirm the details of your past tax returns without reviewing the entire document. Once you've clicked on Tax Returns and Docs, navigate through the list of documents and find the specific tax transcript you're looking for. TurboTax organizes these documents by year, so ensure you're selecting the correct year's transcript. After locating the right transcript, you can open, download, or print it for your records. Remember to keep your tax documents secure, as they contain sensitive personal information. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly obtain your tax transcript using TurboTax. This process can save you time and give you peace of mind knowing you have access to your important tax information whenever you need it. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, TurboTax offers support options to assist you. I hope this video has been helpful and you feel confident navigating TurboTax to get your tax transcript. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tax tips and tricks.